On scissors.
Yes, sir.
You can borrow mine. You can just use a knife if you want, but I just find scissors makes it a bit easier. So going down the spine, cutting.
Are we cutting alongside the spine, or are we just cutting?
Yeah, alongside the spine.
Okay.
Then just rolling it out, and you can see the kidneys there. Maybe it's the heart. It's the heart actually. Hopefully we all don't have them. We've got our livers. Bit crazy. Big fry, yeah. To braise it down. You can see all the bones are all in here. Put our spine over this side. Take the ends off the knuckle. Remember last week we did that with the chicken. And now I'm just going to use my knife. Actually, I'll take the wing tips off first. Probably we'll just take. They need them on. You can see you got your rib cage. There's kind of feels like plasticky bits in here going from one side across. I'm left-handed. I'll start on the left side. If you want to do the right side, you can start on the legs and do what we did last week and just work your way up. As long as you get all those bones out. So using my knife, just getting underneath those ribs, taking it out. I'm going to try and get underneath this plastic bit. You can see it's coming up. Just using my finger and running my knife along it. Just following all the bones. And this is pretty much what we're going to do a lot when we go into the slowly. It's not coming up the way I want. See, it's coming up a bit. It's still a little bit frozen. What you could do is the scraping technique, works well. See the meat just comes straight off. I've got that part done, lay it back out and do the other side. This side has a spine on it, so I'll just follow the spine and cut that off. The bones do break quite easily, so you've got to be careful when you're using the knife. You don't break all the bones. Going underneath that wishbone there. Where it connects up to the shoulder. Do my best to take off as much meat as I can. See, the meat's kind of separated there from that one. It's just about following, as I talked about last week, following the sinew, getting underneath the bones, and just getting underneath and then scratching as much as you can off those bones. Bit of meat left on there. Taking my wing off. Not my best work. thighs. A little bit of meat left on that one. Mix that up by moving it around. We want to take all that meat off, all those bones I mean, sorry. And then that way we have a kebab. Any questions about it? It's about following the meat. There's no real hack to it. It's just about running down the line, following that sinew, scraping as much meat off the bone as you can as you go. And yeah, just following the bones.